A day in a life.
Sa Duha ka Laagan.
An hour?
Ano ka second? A minute in the life.
Sa Duha ka Laagan. Hi mga kalags! Hello mga kalags!
Good evening.
And today we are at
Tales.
and Feelings.
Yes.
It's located at near Robinson Cybergate.
Yes, across Quattro Hotel.
And for today's food, we have, for starter,
Of course, we have the Korean cauliflower, very
Wow.
authentic.
and next we have,
Caesar salad with poached egg on top.
oh amazing, on top.
Yes, roasted pork belly with kale. Very special.
And finally,
No other than truffle pasta with mushrooms on top.
Duha? Not
Yum.
at the bottom.
Not at the bottom, not in the bottom. On top.
On top.
Everything on top.
Yeah, so what are we waiting for?
Let's dig
in.
out. Dig
So,
in, everyone.
Which one should we try first? Of course, any cauliflower.
Let's try it.
Okay.
Let's have our first.